Hey guys, welcome to Platform Guides by Kryptos. In this video, you will see how you can set up your account in a few simple steps. So let's get right into it. Now, first things first, go to kryptos.io and click on sign up. Essentially, there are three ways to sign up. You can use your Google account, your Apple account, or your email address. Preferred way to sign up is going to be Google. Now, the first step to set up your account is going to be choosing your home country, which is quite important because Kryptos will automatically categorize your cost basis method and your transaction types according to your country's national laws. Yes, guys, Kryptos supports major jurisdictions, which is going to help you comply with your tax authorities. For this video, we'll be taking in UK. As I selected my country as UK, it automatically selected the base currency, the time zone, and the cost basis method as well. Also, guys, remember you can change these settings later on as well. Let's click on continue. Now, make sure to go through all of these cards as it's going to tell you how to navigate through the platform without any hassle. Now, this is going to be a quick feature overview of the platform where you can add wallets and exchanges, you can review your transactions, you can get your tax reports, you can check out your portfolio allocation for an efficient portfolio management. You can also check out your liquid holdings and other cool stuff. Now let's take a look at some basic account settings. On the top right corner, hover to the My Account icon and you can navigate to settings. This is where you'll find your basic account information, basic settings, password settings, notification settings, and invoices should you choose to go ahead with our paid plans. Now under basic settings, if you change your country, all the template will change accordingly. Kryptos does this for you automatically so that you don't have to be worried about taking care of the small things while you are generating your tax reports or managing your portfolio for that matter. And this is it. This was the basic account setup, and if you want to know more about the integrations that we support, you can head on to kryptos.io and navigate to integrations. We have 3000 plus DeFi protocols, all the major crypto exchanges, all the major wallets, and we support all the major blockchains as well. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any queries, any doubts, let us know down in the comment section or feel free to reach out to us at support@kryptos.io. In the next video, we will see how you can integrate a wallet or an exchange into Kryptos. Bye for now.